Anyway, guys, it's Samara Pizan Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. Happy Tuesday, happy 2026. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start today. For those who don't know why Utobile and Musam Saleko, they are currently trending. So, guys, there's something that Musam Saleko reveals Lapanago direct section. A trailer you're turning his team with this coming Friday on Mzansi Magic at 8 o'clock. Musam Saleko reveals he has made Utobile. He has made Utobile to be famous. Utobile has nothing without him, and people are not happy, guys. The people went on to say she did not get to where she is because of you. If you had a key to her success, then you would have given it to Sneh as well. You did give her exposure, but her success is because of her sweat, not you guys. So people are calling out Musam Saleko to say, Musam Saleko, you are wrong. Somebody went on to say, honestly, Mitomin, stop this thing of saying you open doors for Tobile, because you did not know how life will turn out if she had not met you guys. So people are saying, oh good. So every time when Tobile she's doing something well for herself, you want to come here and tell the people that you made it, Tobile. You need to stop what you are doing to Tobile Msaleko, guys. So today Musam Saleko posted a picture yakatobile with the caption, our superstar Mlilikaze Kamashobani asihlangane ngo Friday Mzansi Magic 161 Uthandane Tembo uncut 8 o'clock. And people were like, so you apologizing to Tobile the things that you said about her kule trailer Uthandane Tembo this coming Friday? People are saying what the old Tobile would have came to the comment section and comment and liked the picture, guys. Tobile should not say anything, guys. Utobile reject Musam Saleko's apology. People are saying Musam Saleko has been disrespecting Tobile. It is enough. She said a lot of stuff go Tobile, guys. Tobile, she's tired. You can see she wants to get out of Lali marriage. Yeah, okay, guys, she's tired. She just doesn't know what to do. People are saying it is time for Tobile to divorce Musam Saleko, guys. Somebody went on to say, if anything, Tobile is very lucky she doesn't have children. She doesn't have your children, guys. I think we're being unfair. Utobile uyamthanda Musam Saleko, guys. Every marriage has an ups and downs, We don't know what happened behind the scene. Before we all can see the rest of us in Mzansi, guys, Utobile, Musam Saleko, and other members production, you turn on the same with their nose, guys. So if she wanted something not to be seen, she could have said that, to say, yo guys, le patle afuna abantu bayibone, guys. So I think Utobile understand the marketing strategy. She understand the people need drama. So if you want people to watch your reality show, you must give them drama. You must not hide. Yes, sometimes they do act some of those stuff, guys. I think Musam Saleko understand if I say this, people will get angry and people will want to watch more of our show, guys. I mean, Utobile, she's giving the numbers, she's bringing numbers. Umayeni Nai, she's bringing numbers. So if they don't give drama, guys, we're not gonna watch the show. So I do understand that sometimes it hurts to see a man saying something about his wife, guys, and you'll ask yourself, do you really love these women, guys? Even on the trailer, you can see Utobile when she welcomed Musam Saleko to now umuzi wak. She didn't say here is my house. She's saying now umuzi wak. It shows respect. Some people are saying no, we don't blame Musam Saleko for disrespecting Utobile. Utobile used to be the begezela, the understanding wife. Right now she wants us to feel sorry for her. We will never. Utobile wants say uyas pila is tembo, uyas is tembo. What is wrong with her now? She needs to accept everything. She must be okay with Makwela, guys. So some people are saying no, Utobile deserve what is she's getting right now. So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, it, so like it, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you.